Yankee Delta Line Marketing Party, your Southeast Yankee Delta Line.
Yankee Delta Line, Nagasaki, Radio Mexico. Nagasaki, Radio Mexico.
Yankee Delta Line, Alpha Radio Mexico, Yankee Delta Line, America Radio Mexico, Kesa.
Yankee Delta Line, November, Radio Mexico.
Yankee Delta number 9 and November Radio Mexico. Yankee Delta Line November Radio Mexico. Rooney, Kesa.
Okay, thank you, my friend, thank you. Delta Sierra One, thank you. Victoria Whiskey, this is Yankee Delta 9 November Radio Mexico. Okay, thank you, I'm from Indonesia at Timor Island. Okay, for you 5 and 9. Delta Sierra One, Tango Victoria Whiskey, Yankee Delta 9 November Radio Mexico. Back to you, Roger.
Yeah, thank you so much. It's Rooney. Yankee Delta Line, November Radio Mexico, Delta Sierra One, Tango Victoria. Thank you so much. Nice to have a night. And Fabio, sometimes flicking and then up and down, but all the time taking in your full time. And thank you so much. We are not a full-time so it's great. Yankee Delta Line, November Radio Mexico, Delta Sierra One, Tango Victoria. Rooney, back to you.
Okay, thank you, Delta Sierra One, Tango Victoria Whiskey, Yankee Delta 9 November Radio Mexico. Okay, thank you, my friend, for your contact, and this is Antenne 1 Delta look for meter in the ground, one element, and Delta look, one element for meter in the ground, and my running 100 watt, my radio 718, my radio 718. Okay, thank you, my friend, thank you, Delta Sierra One, Tango Victoria Whiskey, Yankee Delta 9 November Radio Mike. Roger.
I got it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Your information, and then you are using the 718 and then radio, and then Delta local line of the 100 whiskey, and using the 100 whiskey. Yeah, I agree that your modulation is very nice, and then my antenna check and direction the Indonesia right now is running about 800 whiskey, and radio capacity is one of my papa. Here is the phone in South Korea. My name is Tango Alpha Echo Kilo at Rooney. Thank you so much. We are at the first-time contact. Yankee Delta 9 November Radio Mexico, Delta Sierra One, Tango Victoria. Back to you.
Okay, Roger. Thank you, my friend. Delta Sierra One, Tango Victoria Whiskey, Yankee Delta 9 and November Radio Mike. Roger. For you, I modernize it very good. For you, modernize it very good. Okay, thank you, Delta Sierra One, Tango Victoria Whiskey, Yankee Delta 9 November Radio Mexico. Roger, 73, bye-bye.
Roger. Yankee Delta 9 November Radio Mexico, Delta Sierra One, Tango Victoria. This is all of the band. Usually my first time testing of the Rooney. Radio Mexico, Delta Sierra One, Tango Victoria. Nice day. See you again. 73. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you, my friend. 73. Bye-bye. Yankee Delta 1 Sierra Hotel Yankee. Yankee Delta 1 Sierra Hotel Yankee.
Yankee Delta 1 Sierra Hotel.
Yankee Delta 1 Sugar Hotel Yankee. Very good afternoon, my friend. Delta Sierra 1 Tango Victor Whiskey. You are 5 by number
1 Sugar Hotel Yankee Master and Delta Sierra 1 Yeah, we have the 8 times so we looked upon us onwards is 9 months of so with we looked on us and the 9 months was okay so it's very nice to see the Yankee Delta 1 Sugar Hotel Yankee and Delta Sierra 1 Tango Victor you guys have 5 days 5 days thank you my friend
Roger Delta Sierra 1 Tango Victor Whiskey Yankee Delta 1 Sierra Hotel Yankee returning thank you very much my friend for nice TSO and I hope to catch you again on the bed in the near future okay all the best for you and your family have a nice day Delta Sierra 1 Tango Victor Whiskey from Yankee Delta 1 Sierra Hotel Yankee 73 bye bye good day
Yeah, my friend, thank you so much. Yankee Delta 1, Sugar Yankee, Delta Sierra 1, Tango Victor Whiskey. Yeah, I'm also wishing you and your family all safe and healthy. See you again, Yankee Delta 1, Sugar Hotel Yankee. Long time no see, my friend. And bye-bye, 73. Bye-bye.
Roger, yes. Last offer, you want to give you 5 by 9. 5 by 9, very good coffee. Mr. Byung, nice to meet you. 73, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Good day.
I got it. Last time you were also 5 days 7. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, my friend.